To remove your Pedego's front wheel and replace a flat punctured tire tube, you'll need a 15mm wrench and a plastic tire lever. You'll also need a brand new tube to replace the old one with, as well as a pump for putting air in your new tube. Inside each tire is a thick layer of slime that serves as a self-sealant. Now don't be concerned if the slimy substance leaks out onto skin or clothes, but to avoid leakage, make sure that the tire valve is near the top of the rim when handling the tubes. To take the front wheel off the bike, use your wrench to loosen the nut on each side. Then pull the tabbed washers off as well. Once the wheel's been removed, unscrew the green cap on the tire valve and set it aside safely. Wedge the tire lever down between the aluminum rim and the rubber tire. Press down on the lever and the rubber will rise up and over the outside of the rim. Now slide the lever around the rest of the edge to separate the tire from the rim. Before pulling off the tire and its tube, gently pull the tire valve out of the rim. You can then remove the tire and easily pull out the punctured tube. Now insert the new tube into the groove of the tire. As you fit the tire and tube back onto the wheel, it's important to first gently insert the tire valve through the valve hole in the rim. Once you've pulled the tire valve through, you can finish putting the tire back on the wheel by fitting the rubber tire into the rim. Now that the wheel's put back together, attach the wheel to the front forks of the bike by aligning the tabbed washers into the small hole at the end of each fork. Then screw the nuts back into place and use your wrench to give each nut a final tightening. As you pump air into your Pedego's tire, use your hand to squeeze around until it begins to feel firm. Then use the pressure gauge to get as close to an exact measurement as you can. Continue filling if you need to, but pay attention to the maximum and minimum PSI for the tire, which is indicated on the tire wall. Now just screw the valve cap back on and you're ready to ride.